Hello everyone, I Sabha ma'am wholeheartedly welcome my all dear children and all respectful parents. So today's summary of class. Today I introduce you with a new topic that is ring the correct number. Before that, let's recap of the counting by tens. Are you all ready? I am ready to rock. Now make a fist along with me. Fist, 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 fist. Ready? 1, 2, 3 and start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Counting by tens. And now, quick recap of 1 to 100. Are you all ready? And please do repeat along with me. Okay, I'm there to help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, yay! 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. Oh, la la. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100. 100. This is my favorite line because this is the last line. Yay! Okay. So this was the recapitulation of all the numbers. So daily you have to practice counting and visualize all the numbers. Now, are you ready for the ring the correct number? Yes, let me show you our new topic, our new game. This is your new game. Ring. R-I-N-G, ring. T-H-E, the C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct? Number. Okay. Ring the correct number. Correct matlab sahi. Number, you know what is number? Ring. Have you ever seen your mama, your dad, they wear ring in your finger? यहाँ पे कुछ पहनते हैं, देखा आपने? Did you see that? I will show. This is a ring. What is the shape of ring? It's a circle. Yes. हाँ. इसकी वजह से इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Ring. So what do we have to do? In the ring the correct answer, ring the correct number. One side you will be provided with group of objects, and beside that you will have three options. You can see here 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. You will be provided with 3 options and you will have only one correct number. You have to count the particular number of objects and according to the number of object presents, you have to ring the correct number of objects. Are you all ready? Let's play, okay? To learn. Play and learn. Come on. Now, for you, so many beautiful parrots are here. See, how many parrots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My God, it's 7. Now check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. There are 7. There are 7 parrots. No. Yes, it's correct. You are right. It's 7 parrot. So, always use the pencil tip. So, where is the number Mr. 7? Where is he? Mr. 7? No. Mr. 7? No. Mr. 7? Yes. We'll ring Mr. 7. Now, we'll move to next. So many beautiful kites are there. And my dear children, never go to roof for flying the cat. For flying the kites. Always remain with your parents. Okay. Now let's count the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here are 11 kites. Now come on, check if I have done correctly or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11. Now, where is number 11? Number 11, where are you? Is this number 11? No. Is this number 11? Yes. You will ring the number 11. हमने now Mr. 11 को ring पहना दी. Now, next. Now, move to last. There's so many beautiful caps are here. All red and orange caps. You know? Red mixed with yellow with mix. Red caps mixed with yellow and orange. Wow, they're so beautiful. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. There are 8 caps. Now where is Mr. 8? भाई साहब Mr. 8 कहाँ पे बैठे हैं आप? मैम Mr. 8 कहाँ बैठे हैं आप? Is this Mr. 8? Yes. वाह, Mr. 8 तो आगे ही बैठा हुआ है. We'll ring Mr. 8. So this is called ring the correct number. And now today's homework. Ready for noting down the homework? Yes. Today also, my dear children, you will go for 2-page homework. First page, write today's date and heading 21/5/2020 SW. Second page also 21/5/2020 SW. First page, you have to write the counting from 81 to 90 5 times. कितनी बार लिखनी है? 5 times. 81 to 90 countings 5 times. Now move to second page. Second page, you will write the heading fill in the blanks. FILL fill. INTHE the. BLANKS blank. This will be your heading. After that, leave one line. Now be careful. Please note down the questions. I'm repeating. 31 dash 34 dash. Next line. 36 dash 38 dash dash. Next line. 41 dash 45. Last line. Dash 47 dash 49 dash. So this is your question. Copy in the blank. So this is your homework of the day. So for today, only this much. Stay tuned with us. So you have a holiday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we'll meet you on Monday. Keep smiling. Get the star. Okay, I forgot to give you star. You want to have a star? Hey, don't say anything. They should get star. This smiling star for you. Yay! Hold this with you. Keep this inside your pocket in your heart. Always keep smiling. Monday को फिर मिलते हैं. Bye bye. Love you. Take care.